Candidate number 2, Gabriel Miraldizo. Wear a strawberry-inspired costume. Her passion for sharing good eating habits. Gabriel Miraldizo, a young advocate for healthy meals, he proudly wears his message on his sleeves, literally. Okay, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the candidates 22 and 21 and 22.
14%. Hindi na makuha na. Ano ba kayo?
Number 23 and 21.